In this video, we will discuss updating software on a QuietCore Plus vacuum or compressor. An icon will appear in the top right corner of the screen when a software update is available. Begin by pressing the remote button. Select Yes to disable the remote controls and place the unit in manual mode. Press the menu button. Use the down button to highlight software update. Then press Select. The available update version will be displayed. To begin the software update, press Update. Confirm that the device will not be needed during the time the system is updating. Note, update times can vary in length. The end of the day is typically the best time to perform a software update. Once the update is complete, the device will automatically restart. This process may take a couple of minutes. Once the restart is complete, you may resume use of the equipment. Note, if the software update fails, the equipment will automatically revert back to the previous software version. To view software release notes, navigate back to the software update menu and select Release Notes. Scanning the QR code with your phone's camera will take you to the Release Notes section of the A-dec website. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.